In example 5, we're investing some money. So let's write a recursive formula for our investing. We start with a principal of $5,000. The annual rate, so I know U sub n will equal U sub n minus 1. That will be U sub n minus 1 multiplied by 1 plus that annual rate, which is 0.05, divided by the frequency, and it looks like we're going to compound it quarterly, so we're going to divide it into fourths, 4 times a year, and then we're going to deposit another $400, so add 400 more to that. U sub 10. Well, let's figure out what we're doing here. U sub 10 in my example, if I go back and I add and I change my y equals to represent this situation, we're going to change this to 5 divided by 4, close parentheses, plus 400, and then I'm going to hit delete, 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 delete to get rid of the rest. I'm investing 5,000, hit your enter. So if I hit this on my graphing calculator and look at the table, oh, I need to change the table set again. So I can hit second quit, and now I can go to second table set. And I'll be able to change to 0. Let's look at what happens at 0. And now hit second table. And I can see that right away I had 5,000. What does this represent? This is the first quarter. In the first quarter, I've got 6,025. In the next quarter, I've got 7,178. Now, some of that is because I'm adding $400 each time, and some of it is interest. So U sub 10 is not the 10th year. It's the 10th quarter of the year. So this is the 10th quarter that my interest has been compounded. So if you wanted to put that in years, you'd take 10 divided by 4, and you'd end up with 2 years, which would be 8 of those quarters, and you'd have a remainder of 2 more quarters. So this is 2.5 years, because 2 quarters of a year, of course, is a half. So 2.5 years. How much money will you have in your account after 4 years? Well, how many quarters is 4 years? 4 times 4, which is 16. Now remember, there's a shortcut. You can just hit second quit, hit second 7, and then you've got U, and let's do U sub 16, because this will tell us in 4 quarters how much we will have in the account. And the answer is $50,782.65. That's a pretty nice growth from $5,000.